Okay, here's the new Amana furnace at my aunt's house here in Davenport. This replaced a Trane XE1000 furnace. And I just made a video of the Amana air conditioning unit, which is actually right out there. And I thought I'd just make a quick video of the furnace too. So yeah. This unit was installed by my uncle actually installed this unit for my aunt. So yeah. But yeah, this I think this was manufactured in Fort Worth, Texas. Yeah, it was manufactured in Fort Worth, Texas. And I don't think there's a data sheet, but I'd assume this furnace is probably from the same year the AC out there is, which is from 2021. So that's probably what year this furnace is from. But yeah. I believe it has been running, but I'm not gonna be getting a start and shut down from it. But yeah, just thought I'd make a quick video of the new furnace too. Anyways, thanks for watching.